guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Dwelling Story. So today we are cleaning out our storage unit in our building. We're not cleaning it out, we're just organizing it because right now it looks like a hot mess because A, we can't donate during the pandemic really, and B, there's stuff that needs to go to another location, and C, we just haven't really been going through that stuff. So it's a bunch of like stuff that needs to be donated and stuff that we're not using right now. So we're gonna go sort it out. I'm afraid because it looks really bad every time I've passed it. But you know, we're gonna go sort it out. Eve and I are gonna go sort it out together, right?
Yeah.
Right? You happy about it?
I guess.
He's putting on a mask. I'll put on a mask too, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it the whole time we're in the storage place because there's no one really around. So here we go. Clover, you're gonna be okay here alone for the first time in like several weeks. Are you gonna freak out? I think he might freak out. You'll be fine. We're only gonna take like a little bit of time. Okay? Okay? It was hot outside, so he's got this little dog cooling mat. Okay, have a good nap. Living for weekends, okay, here it is. Oh my goodness. Look at all of this stuff. So hopefully we're gonna organize it and make it look really nice. Wow, there's so much stuff in there. I don't even know what a lot of this is. Like, I think it was stuff that was in my car before. So, I don't know. We'll see. So when you're doing a space like this, you want to make some distinct piles of things that you want to categorize. So we're going to make a pile that were things we're going to keep, things we're going to give away, things we're going to throw away, and a pile that's random. In the pile that's random, you can be like other rooms, things that you need to take upstairs. So things that we need to keep down here are gonna be different from the stuff we're gonna keep and bring upstairs. One thing that's really difficult about these storage spaces and garages and basements is that they are often the home of periodically used items or the least used items. Things like holiday decorations, wrapping paper, toys for children that are now have outgrown them. So they're just things that you don't look at often, and it's often where things go to die. So I encourage you to go through thoughtfully and pick out the things that you really aren't going to use. Sometimes this is really hard because these spaces can be kind of sad and depressing, but you know, bring a nice light, put some happy music on, and go to town. This was a much more difficult project than I had anticipated because some of this stuff had actually been in our storage unit in our last unit, and that unit was outside of our building, so it was exposed to the elements sort of, and it made it very hard to go out there and grab things because there was dust and dirt all over everything. So we did a good amount of cleaning of containers, and we found some things that were actually going to be useful inside our new place. So we had a really good, I think, successful time in organizing this space, but it took, oh my gosh, it was just the effort. It took a long time, but we pushed through and got through it. All right, midpoint check-in. We've got a pile of keep things to go upstairs and containers to clean. We've got stuff to donate all the way over there. We've got not much left in the storage unit. We've got stuff to keep downstairs, and Clover really wanted to come, so I brought him from upstairs, but then the stuff we need to keep as well. So we're still working. Should be another maybe 10 minutes or so, and then we'll be done. In doing this project, we found there wasn't actually a lot of things to throw away. There were some things where I was like, whoa, what is this? But I found a lot of really good things, and that is a testament that you should definitely go through your storage unit or through your basement. Basements are definitely a place where things just get lost. Please go through your basements periodically. Have a good time. I know it sucks because there's spiders down there and stuff, but you gotta just do it. Do it.
the solution.
So we're gonna take some of this stuff upstairs since I have somewhere to put it.
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are.
So we are done organizing and our storage unit looks pretty cool. The stuff that we're going to donate, we just left down there. A lot of people have been doing that, but it's really hard to donate during this time. So we have some empty boxes and I grabbed some labels. Well, I made some labels on Canva. So this is like puppy stuff if we ever get another puppy. It's like a tarp and crate stuff, and we have some additional crates over here and also an exercise pen for a puppy if we ever got a puppy. Don't assume anything, it's just in case. We've got some spare alpha pieces right here in this box, and in this box it says K-Media because it's like some VHS tapes and some audio tapes that I'm gonna have to convert to digital, so that's a project for me to do at another time. And we've got some extra tote bags that I don't want to get rid of that are like kind of seasonal, but not like I'm toting anything right now, but they're in there. And in the other container we've got a box full of containers. It's pretty much full of like empty shoe boxes, and there's some other containers on top, so I'm gonna have to wash those, but if I need them I know where to get them. And of course you guys know I have another container of containers in my apartment as well. This is basically stuff my husband has to take back to the office whenever that happens, and that's just kind of random, but this is my husband's bike stuff. And we also have these little drawers, and in them we've got tools, hardware, and bike stuff, small bike stuff. So I think it looks really good, much more organized, much better than it was. It was very scary. All right, we're back in the apartment. The next thing I have to do is put away all this stuff I brought upstairs. Doesn't look that much stuff, but we got some gift wrap, we got some office stuff, we got some shelf dividers, which I might use. We got some little containers, we got my media, and we got some gowns in there. So maybe I'll deal with those first. Clover, what are you doing? I'm all done. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope it inspired you to clean out your storage unit if you have one, or a place where you keep stuff that you don't keep in your house all the time. I hope you're having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.